Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome again, dear audience at Katoro Islamic Media channel. My name is Katoro Hamadi Marcelo. I'm in front of you to solve for the value of y in the equation. Here we start by splitting this 2 exponent 2y plus 1, whereby it will be 2 exponent 2y times 2 exponent 1. Again we split this 2 exponent y plus 1, whereby we get it is 2 exponent y times 2 exponent 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 exponent y. Now here the required we need to make our common base, whereby our common base will become 2 exponent y. Now from this one it will be 2 open bracket 2 exponent y exponent 2 minus 2 open bracket 2 exponent y plus 1 is equal to 2 exponent y. Now after getting this, we have to make our common base to let it into p, whereby it will be 2 exponent y equals to, now dear audience, this p it will cover we are going to substitute it in the place where there is 2 exponent y. Now it is 2, remember this one, it is 2 exponent y, it will be 2p, but there is a square here, it will be 2p square minus 2, there is 2y which we have let it is p, now it will be 2p plus 1 is equal to 2 exponent y, which is p, is equal to p. Now into this step we are going to rearrange the numbers to get a quadratic equation, whereby we take this p into the other side, which will become 2p square minus 2p minus the p plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we are going to get 2p square minus negative 2p minus p, which will be 3p plus 1 is equal to 0. Now from here, this is the quadratic equation, and our quadratic equation can be solved into various methods. We can use completing square, we can use factorization method, also we can use the graph method. Now for today, let's use factorization method. For factorization, we need to have a, b and c from our equation. From our equation, a is equal to the coefficient of p square, which is 2, and b is equal to the coefficient of p, which is negative 3, and our c from our equation it is constant, which is 1. Now we need to have the products. Our products equals to a times c, which is 2. Since our a it is 2 and our c is 1, now 2 times 1 it is 2. Now our sum is also constant, the middle term, which is negative 3. Now we need to have the numbers. When we multiply them, it will bring for us 2, and when we sum them, or we are going to add them, it will bring for us negative 3. Now dear audience, since my sum is negative, now my all two factors will be negative, whereby our factors will be negative 1 and negative 2. Since we have get our factors, these factors we are going to substitute them in the middle term. Now instead of having 3p, we are going to have negative 1 and negative 2. From our equation, it is 2p square minus p minus 2p plus 1 is equal to 0. Now here we are going to separate the brackets by introducing open bracket. Now when we reach at this step, we need to factorize, and our common factor here it is p. Since here there is we have no common factor in this bracket, now here we need to put 1. Here since there is negative times positive, it is negative. Now it will be negative 1. Now it will be here inside negative 1 is equal to 0. Since these two brackets are of the same, now we are going to neglect the 1 and so as to become. Now here, before getting our p, we have to know that any number, when two numbers are multiplied and get 0, to those number must be one of them should be 0 or all of them. Now from here we say either Here we have to divide by 2 both sides. Now our P here is equal to a half. Or this bracket times this one is equal to 0. Now remember that we have let 2 exponent y to be P. Now 2 exponent y is equal to P. We are starting to substitute the values we have get into this equation. Now 2 exponent y is equal to our P, which is a half. 2 exponent y is equal to a half. Now remember, this a half, this 1/2 can be written as 2 exponent y is equal to 2 exponent -1. Now, from the law of exponents, when the bases are equal, the exponents are equal. Now here we are getting that when 2 is equal to 2, now also y will equal to -1. Since we have 2 brackets and we have get 2 numbers, or 2 exponent y is equal to P. Now 2 exponent y is equal to this one, the second value we get, which is 1. Here we have to we need to have our common base, whereby recall from the law of exponent, when any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. Now 2 exponent y is equal to 2 exponent 0, which is 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Now we have the common base. Now also our exponent will be equal. Now y is equal to 0. We have get our values, which are y is equal to, now y is equal to 0, or y is equal to -1. Now here is my answer. Now you can improve these answers, if are correct, by substituting them one after another in our original equation to see if our equation is balanced. Thank you for watching.